What is taste? I am not talking about taste of food. I am talking about exam taste. What is taste? Do you know what is taste? Taste, measurement and evaluation. So what is taste? Taste is a tool. Tool means a machine. Taste is a tool to evaluate skill, knowledge or aptitudes of an individual. So taste is a tool to evaluate skill, knowledge or aptitude or capacities etc. of an individual. Taste is a tool to evaluate knowledge, skill, capacities etc. of an individual. Then what is measurement? I am telling about taste, measurement and evaluation. So we finish taste. Then what is measurement? What is measurement? Measurement refers to the process of administering taste. Measurement refers to a process to administering the taste to obtain quantitative data. Taste is a tool to evaluate knowledge, skill or capacities of an individual, and measurement is a process to perform the test to collect the obtained data. After measurement or after test, what we collect? The data. That data, for collection of data we get test, and the procedure or process of test called measurement. Then we will come to the evaluation. What is evaluation? Now it is a decision making process which assists to make grade or rank. It is decision making process which assists to make grade or rank, or otherwise you can say that it is the process of education that involves collection of data from the products which can be used for comprehension with certain make judgment. In the both case they told that to make grade or rank. So according to your next topic, it's called BMI. What is BMI? BMI, body mass index. So BMI is body mass index. if we say that what is BMI, so BMI is a statistical analysis of an individual in comparison of height and weight. So what is BMI? The BMI is a statistical analysis of an individual in comparison of height and weight. So how do you calculate BMI? BMI equal to weight in kg and height in meter square. Weight in kg and height in meter square. Weight in kg and height in meter square. Whenever you are trying to getting BMI of an individual, so you can weight him or her in kg and measure the height in meter. Then you should calculate the BMI. How? Suppose an individual have 60 kg weight, 60 kg weight and height 1.2 meter, and according to formula it should be square. Then 60 divided by 1.2 into 1.2 kg per meter square. It will be the BMI. Now the question is, if we get the result, then how we will consider him or her, in which category he or she belongs. Now the categories are, there are 5 categories. How many categories? 5 categories. But in according to obesity there will be 6. So we calculate total 6 categories. 6 categories. Okay, I am writing this. Below, less than 18.5. Less than 18.5, it's called underweight. Underweight, category number 1. Category number 2, 18.5 to 24.9. 18.5 to 24.9. It's called normal weight. Then 25, from 25 to 29.9, it's called overweight. It's called overweight. Now fourth, 30 to 34.9, it's called obesity 1. Obesity 1 or class 1 obesity. Obesity 1 or class 1 obesity. Next, 35 to 39.9, it's called obesity 2. Next, greater than or equal to 40, it's called obesity 3. Now we get 6 categories, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 categories we have get according to the data, or according to the analysis of height and weight. When we get the result, and then we decide from which category he or she belongs. These are the categories. It's called BMI categories. So for an example, if we calculate height and weight, that height and weight which I gave you in before, 60 kg weight and 1.2 meter height square, so kg per meter square, 60 divided by 1.2 into 1.2. If we get that 100, 5, 6, 50, 3, 25. So 125 by 3. Is it 125 by 3? If we calculate this, so 41.66. So according to the category, this is greater than 40. So he or she, that individual, belongs category number class 3 obesity. He or she belongs category number class 3 obesity. So now the question is, so how we can get the result that according to my height, how much weight should be we have, or according to my weight, how much height actually we need. Then you must calculate as opposite. How? As we told, from 18.5 to 24.9, it's called normal weight. So if we take 20, if we take 20 in between them, or 21 in between them, it's a ideal weight as our ideal BMI as we get. Then you must calculate, suppose the individual have 60 kg weight, so 60 into height we did not get, equal to 21. If we calculate opposite, then we must get according to 60 kg height how much weight should have, and or according to 1.2 meter height how much weight he or she should have in 20 in the BMI 21. If we calculate this, then we must get according to the height and weight how much weight or height we can belongs. Okay, so this is the test, measurement and evolution and BMI calculation from chapter test and measurement.